This is the only sushi tutorial you will ever need. Look at this weeb. He's definitely going to a cheap kaiten sushi restaurant. Kaiten sushi means the sushi go round. Honestly, I do prefer sushi go round by myself than merry go round by myself. Just a personal opinion, but I think doing it raw is the best feeling in the world. I know you agreeing with me on this, right? I mean, people who choose cooked sushi is way weirder than a weeb, dude. The original sushi is raw, so we have to do it raw. It's tastier and yummier, am I right? When you eat sushi, put some wasabi on top of it and try to flip her. Do it with the meat on the bottom, you know what I mean, right? Yes! You need to make the meat wet with something salty. It's getting yummier. Look at this weeb. Boo! He can't even flip her. You need to flip her, you idiot. If you keep failing like this stupid weeb, just take the meat and eat the rice later, goddammit. Itadakeme. And this, it's miso shiru with mozuku on it. Okay, let's give this weeb another chance to flip her the right way. Make sure to wet the meat with something salty, using shoyu. The meat, not the rice. If you are bored with one choice, you can also try another girl or another boy. Another sushi. Life hack. Wet it directly from the top. I know you like it this way, don't you?